To open the roster manager, begin by selecting your KnoteSter icon on the desktop. From here, select Roster Manager on the menu. Once the roster manager has opened, you can view all classes you currently teach in, including the students enrolled in each class. To have students sign up for a class, simply select the class you would like to enroll students in. Click View QR Code found at the bottom of the screen, and have students scan the QR code. You can also opt to print the QR code. From the roster manager, you are able to access the archive manager through the purple file icon found at the bottom right corner of the window. This takes you to pre-recorded lessons, recent videos and images taken through the software, and gives access to PDFs, images, videos, and more found on your computer. You are also able to access pre-recorded lessons uploaded to the cloud through the red cloud icon in the bottom right corner of the window.